Have you ever wanted a custom built PC, but you don't know how to put it together? You don't want to learn how to put it together? It was just too much of an inconvenience to figure it out. My boy Nolan here, aka Cyber Samurai, puts computers together exactly how people want it. They want a full ROG custom build. We can get you a
full ROG custom build.
We can make it for you. So tonight, or today, wherever you're watching, I'm going to be streaming or filming over his stream while he streams so that you can watch it on his stream or you can watch it on YouTube, and we can document it and have it for whoever's build they're having custom made for him. So I'm going to be manning the camera to like get you some good action shots of what he's doing and get a close-up so that maybe you don't want to have him build it, you actually want to learn, you can do that.
Yep. We can go through each process of what each step is, and then
why'd you pick this?
Why'd you pick this? Why'd you pick that? How do you put it in? Where does it go? How does this go? How to not put something in? That's a big factor. People install some things wrong ways sometimes, and you wouldn't even know that they installed it the wrong way. So we go through each key factor on how to put things in, explain what it does. There's also a lot more factors like overclocking and such, but we probably won't be getting into that today. And just going each step of the basic learner way to put a PC together, but very expensively.
Yeah. I mean, you can build a $500 PC, you can build a $5,000 PC. They all pretty much go together the same way.
Yeah, if you guys wanted to stay tuned, you can follow me on twitch.tv/cybersamurai with 5 eyes. It's going to be changed soon. I got to get it more brandable.
You gotta get that
single eye.
Yeah, you gotta get
single eye. That's what we need.
Whoever's camping that user out of here.
You gotta get them out of there. So follow me on Twitch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. And then, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy what you see. We'll try and... This is a first-time thing for us, so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So this is actually for a streamer/viewer, St3nto. If you guys want to go to his channel, give him a follow. It's twitch.tv//St3nto with a 3 instead of an E. And then, yeah, give him a follow. I'd much appreciate it. This is his personal custom build that we're doing.
All right, well, what is this thing?
This is a Ryzen 3950X build with we have an ROG Strix X570 Gaming F motherboard. Then we have the Ryzen 3950X. We have 1 terabyte. It's actually 2, but we're gonna go for style on this. 2 RGB Team Group Delta Max RGB SSDs.
We picked this for the RGB, right?
We picked this for the RGB, yeah. And then we have matching 32 gigs, 3200 megahertz. These just came out recently. Team Force Extreme ARGB.
Let me see one of these.
ARGB RAM.
Not gonna drop it like some people.
Yeah, it's ARGB RAM. That's crazy. And then we have, of course, the tried and true ROG Strix 2080 Ti, signed by St3nto. We have, of course, the ROG Sparta.
It's not Sparta.
It's not Sparta. The Sparta mouse. He wanted it all matching, so obviously we're trying to get most of the stuff matching here.
Man, it's gonna be crazy to see the RS sync on this thing.
Yeah, dude. Then we got the ROG Strix scope, and then we of course have this giant behemoth of a case, the ROG Strix Helios.
Are we even gonna be able to get that thing off the table once it's built?
I don't know. It's got some really nice straps, so once we get to the unboxing part of it,
team lift that.
It's gonna be a team lift, and then of course we have the RGB Strix LC360 RGB cooler. Comes with 3 fans. As I said, we wanted everything to match. He was particular about matching, and so this is what we went with.
You're really just waiting for them to come out with RAM and everything, because we're not going to be
Gigabyte just actually
released this power supply.
Gigabyte just actually released their RAM, by the way.
Don't they have like fake RAM?
They do, yeah. They do have fake RGB RAM, but they released real RAM now, so it should be okay.
Well, I mean, it's all just filler.
Unfortunately, the Thor ROG power supply is extremely overpriced at the time of making this video, $800, and we're not spending $800 on power supply. We went with the Thermaltake Tough Series Grand GF, GF1 850 watt. This will be plenty enough to handle whatever we throw at it. So guys, this would be St3nto's build, and it should turn out pretty good, you know.
It should. It should.
It should, you know.
It'd be okay.
I hope we might be able to play some Minecraft.
Yeah.
You know? So if nobody knows, St3nto decided to be a madman and get like an all ROG Strix PC build. So this is what we have. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. Best practice when putting stuff together with the motherboard is you can use the static bag, like so, or you can use the box. I use the box just because it's useful. Let me gently. Actually, I actually need to get the parts out of here. No. I've never actually installed this RAM before. Like, this first time I've used this RAM. Like, guys, look how freaking pretty this is. It's like gold and RGB-ness. This is actually the first all RGB RAM out there. First, like, the whole stick is a RAM. Like, it's all, obviously it's RAM, but.
It's made of RAM.
So, like, even the RAM comes wrapped. Like, so you don't freaking touch it.
Can I get that peel?
We will in a second, you know. We gotta get the close-up peel, guys. Like, look at this. Holy moly. Team Group, if you're watching this, I love you. Maybe sponsor me, you know.
Give me money.
Give me, I don't even want your money, I just want you to tell me you love me.
Send me RAM.
So, alright guys, we're gonna pop the tabs. Oh, this one's actually, no, only one tab pop side. Let's go. And we're gonna... This RAM is so expensive, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like $145 per 16 gigs, so it's like $300 of RAM.
I mean, like, that's tragedy Neo prices, you know?
Yeah, so we'll get another peel. We're not gonna peel all of them, just another. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Wow, that is really.
It's really nice, right?
It's the money shot.
Let's just appreciate this for what it is.
Just make the corner of that board like twice as heavy.
Dude, like, oh my god, like that looks heavy. So good. I'm gonna have to wipe this down. Like,
it looks like a brick of gold just in the RAM slots. Dude, that's insane.
How freaking crazy is that, dude? Shout out to T-Force. Holy.
How much is that again?
It's like 130-ish per 16 gigs. So, and you can go all up to 4,500 megahertz with it.
So it's literally gold.
It's literally gold, yeah. Okay, anyways, guys, we got the RAM installed. I gotta wipe it down because it comes with a wipe. You see this, guys? It comes with a wipe. This is literally like living the dream for me. Wax on, wax off. You feel me? Wax on, wax off. All right. This actually is the only Ryzen processor that doesn't come with a cooler.
I'm almost 100% sure you could put like the
Wraith Prism on here.
Yeah, you could put a Prism on there.
I got like seven stealths at my house. If you want to bring them.
Nobody wants those. Just melt them down.
The Prism cooler's OP. Let's go. Hey, no, the Wraith Prism cooler. I'm not gonna lie. That is actually a really good stock cooler. Okay, guys, I'm gonna explain something to you. So AMD, I gotta be very careful with this. Very careful. AMD's processors are actually reversed between Intel's. Intel's processors have basically they don't have the pins up on the pins are on the motherboard for Intel. As to AMD, the pins are on the chip. So you want to be very, very, very careful when installing a CPU, and you want to make sure that you don't install it backwards or upside down, whatever, you know, because if you bend one of these pins, $700 CPUs out the window, like even just one of them. You might be able to get lucky and it might be like a non-functioning pin that's not very useful, but it can actually cause detrimental
there goes the memory slot.
Problem. There goes the memory slots, there goes
PCI.
Overclock, there goes PCI, there goes everything. So you want to be very extremely careful when handling an AMD processor, and you also don't want to, on an Intel, you don't want to smudge the chip itself either. You know, you want to keep your hands off the pin sets and whatnot. So when handling this, all Ryzen CPUs, you're going to be really hard to see. It's going to have a little arrow on the corner right here, and you want to match that arrow up on the motherboard. Once I install this, I'll bring the motherboard up and show you where it's at. So you guys can get familiar with where an AMD processor may go. So when you set it in, always you want to kind of like give it a little bit of a like a little bit of a shake to make sure that it's actually in place, because you don't want it like crooked, loose, or anything like that. And then you can go ahead and latch it down, and you should be good to go. Latch it down, and you're in. So as I was saying, you want to, if it's possible, you'll come up here and you'll see that the arrow on the chipset holder will have an arrow matching the same direction, and you want to just line those up. Typically, they're all in the top left-hand corner,
Yeah,
but you always want to make sure. We can actually unbox that behemoth of a mother-freaking case. So, we will take this and gently set it up over here. That way we can get the box.
That box is going to break the table.
Well, we're going to put the box on the...
This is WrestleMania.
We're going to put the box on the ground and then lift it up on the table. So, this is going to be the box unveil of...
Is that a teamless? Sure it is.
Oh my god.
They want that kind of liability.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it for us.
Insurance. My back. Holy shnikes. Alright, guys. Comes with a box. What's in the box?
It's probably a thank you letter, like.
Thanks, guys, for spending $10,000. All right, cool. Got the instructions. Always keep your instructions, especially if you're a first-time builder. I'm probably still going to need instructions on this case because there's so many features on it. Packaged all the package. Holy crap, bro.
My god.
Oh.
This is the remove sunglasses mother.
My god. Jesus Christ, St3nto. Dude, this thing is sick, St3nto. This thing is massive. Is this a fridge?
That's what she said.
This is the mini fridge, bro. Dude, you don't see the best feature of this case, dude?
Oh yeah.
Is how to take off the side panel. It's literally push button.
I was like, don't push it and not grab it.
Well, look, wait, it has notches on the bottom, so you can lift it up.
Oh,
so we're gonna go put this somewhere safe. So the first thing you want to do when doing a case like this is obviously take the glass panels off before doing anything, because you will regret your life for shattering your glass panel. And yeah. Whoa! I didn't even notice this. Holy crap!
Yeah. What the?
Another panel.
I guess it's just to hide stuff.
Yeah, who likes to look at cable management?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna lay it face down, because who likes to install motherboards face up? Not me. Alright, got the motherboard. Guys, another thing, also, for lower end motherboard builders, do not forget your I/O shield. Don't forget it, because you will be hating your life and you won't want to pull your PC all apart, because when you do, you'll get it together, you'll turn it on, you'll go to plug your HDMI cord in. Oh, there's a giant gaping hole there. Don't do that. It's not fun. We're just gonna install this like so, and of course, ROG fits an ROG. Who wouldn't? It almost like it fits, you know?
That looks good in there.
And you didn't see anything? Nothing happened?
Cut.
For the love of God, install all of your motherboard screws. Alright, let's see. I think this should be the last screw if I'm not mistaken. Next would be the NVMe SSD. Okay, yeah, as I was thinking, you have to take off the whole entire chipset cover when doing these M.2s. Also, for future reference, I didn't bring one. Get a magnetic tray as well. It always helps. That way you don't, knock something over and then you lose a bunch of screws and then you're actually screwed. The good old dad joke. Guys, this is the Team Group Delta Max ARGB SSD. This is a 500 gig. We have two 500 gigs and then we have a 500 gig, so that's a total of 1.5 terabytes of storage and space and things. So yeah, these things are gonna look sick. Do you have alcohol wipes by any chance?
We have alcohol and we have wipes.
I mean, that'll work. That should work. So am I gonna be one of those cool sped up montage things?
No, we're gonna slow you down.
No, yeah.
Because I mean that would be like really sick if I was. We can mount at the top, boys. Let's do the top. You feel the top?
Poor RAM. Hey, it works.
Why you gotta make me think like that, man? Why do you have to make me think like that?
Because it's the dank RAM.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put it here like this. Okay. Alright. Alright. Giant ass dirt catcher.
The dust filter? Dirt catcher. Screw, pull on part. Doesn't the way I did.
Had to think inside the box.
How cool is that? Except for not having RGB fans. Nah, it doesn't go on the top. Doesn't go on the top.
You don't say. Yeah, it's got mount. You have to use sword screws to go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I was thinking, yep. See, that's why we have a producer. And I should have got it.
Some snips?
No, custom cables.
Oh, yeah. Cable mod, man.
They're so expensive.
Nah.
It's like $70.
Man.
But that doesn't look bad.
Like $300 case. $400 RAM. No.
Oh. Fan down or fan up? Fan down or fan up?
I think it stands tall enough you can put fan down. What is it? It's going to show through on the outside, isn't it?
Down here, yeah.
Well, yeah, so like, what looks good?
This, because it'll be upside down if it wasn't, so.
Yeah. I guess that's one of the benefits to modular there.
Yeah.
Run it the opposite direction.
Always.
Not forcing yourself to run it that direction.
You gotta kind of like shift it through here so I can get it to.
Shimmy, 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 shimmy.
Well, I don't know if these are gonna fit, so I may have to come up to the other side.
Ooh.
Bam. This is gonna like trigger me.
What, mounting that?
You'll see why. If you come over here, you'll see why.
Pick up the screwdriver you dropped. Oh no. That's a no. Oh god, and you can't turn it around either, can you?
Nope.
Oh god, it's awful. You want to show chat that? Why didn't ASUS plan for this exact freaking thing?
Scenario.
They were like, we have to make it so every single SSD, including the RGB ones,
Is upside down.
is upside down. Yeah.
I think that should be everything except for the graphics card.
You think we have like 20 boxes over there? You sure?
Yeah, graphics card time. Alright. Oh.
Hey look, there's another message saying you spent money with us.
Speed setup.
You plug it in, it just works.
It works.
I guess the ASMR clicky clacky.
Ooh. Damn, look at the.
How thick is that boy? Ooh.
God damn.
God
See the
damn.
girth on that? Boys.
Yeah, we in it. Ooh. Don't ruin it now. Okay. Perfect.
It's seated.
So wait, could you put one of those levers theoretically on the top and then one of the levers theoretically on the bottom and then it just kind of pinches the thing?
You probably could.
Alright, take it out.
We're just gonna leave it like that though. Leave it up, you know. Because I don't want it to touch the fan. Oh,
Oh,
it won't touch the fan. We're Gucci.
Yeah, they had to.
They thought of this idea. That thing looks so
They
nice.
knew exactly what they were doing.
Let me get this.
The IO shield.
Oh. And then that mirror finish. Okay.
But there, I think there's a peel on that on the graphics card there you missed.
Oh, this.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh.
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 We're going SLI. I think that's just what they automatically assume you're gonna do.
With the 2080 Ti?
No,
SLI.
with like an 850 or 750 plus, they're like, yeah, they're gonna be running 2 GPUs.
They might. Let's just be,
Something a little extra.
It's like $2 for extra cables. Why not? Because if we don't include them and they do,
then they'll be upset.
oh Lord, they'll be.
Oh, we got lights. It's already glowing. Look at that. You guys got like a little treat of the glow.
Little tease.
Damn, that ran though.
Yeah.